Small town road with the windows down, radio loud while the sun dips out. Old blue jeans and a worn out name, still chasing dreams through the pouring rain. Got a heart full of scars and gasoline, living too fast for a boy like me. But every time that your hand holds mine, the whole wide world starts feeling right. We were burning like a cigarette flame, trying to outrun yesterday. So pour another drink tonight, underneath these neon lights. We got dust on our boots, cold in our souls, singing broken songs on broken roads. And if tomorrow never comes, I still swear you're the one. Through every bar fight, every town, you're the reason I slow down. You're the reason I slow down. Pickup truck by the riverside, you laughing while the stars collide. Tattooed memories on my skin of everywhere we've ever been. And maybe I ain't no saint at all, I still trip every time I fall. But your voice cuts through the noise somehow, like heaven talking to me now. We're too young to feel this soul, but your love feels like home. So pour another drink tonight, let the speakers come alive. We got smoke in the air, fire in our veins, dancing through the hurt and pain. And if the whole world fades away, I'd still call your name. Yeah, through every lost highway, baby, I'm here to stay. Baby, I'm here to stay.